You are always spilling tea on me. I've had enough. Me!
You're the one who can't hold your liquor. Look at this stain. I am absolutely boiling right now. You always crowd me.
Excuse me. I was here first, you overgrown teapot. Get that spout out of my face.
I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Just tip me over and pour me out.
I am sick of serving you. You always complain about the temperature.
How dare you! You are supposed to be hot, you useless pot! Stop shaking this instant. You are making a mess of everything. I am shaking because you are boiling mad and splashing everywhere. I said I was sorry.
I'm a little teapot, short and